Alright, so as you can see, another worksheet full of proofs here. We're going to start with number one. You do use that diagram for each one, so I might need to make it visible. See if I can still write and you can see everything. So my first line given on number one, 1 equals 2, 3 equals 4. So again, just write given, 1 equals 2. I might put a mark in there and then a distinguishing mark on 3 and 4 as well. Those are also congruent. So 1 plus 3 equals 2 plus 4. That's just addition. I'm adding these two lines together. 1 plus 3 equals 2 plus 4. Right? That's all I'm doing, just simple algebra. Then 1 plus 2 equals a bigger angle is my next part. So that's actually going to be SRT would be how I'd label SRT here, that bigger angle. I could also say PRT, but I can see up at the top that I'm trying to prove that SRT equals STR. It's probably the label I want, right? But 2 and 4 add up to that STR. Again, not a coincidence that those are coming into play because now I'm going to substitute, right? But real quick, maybe I should say angle addition because that's what I did. Otherwise, the last line is going to be what I wanted to know. Angle SRT is congruent to angle STR. It's a substitution. So I subbed in the SRT for the 1 and 3. I subbed in the STR for the 2 and 4. That's how I know. Number 2, now we're going to work with segments in that diagram. Might need to add a new layer and hide that last one so I can see what's going on. Otherwise, RP equals TQ, PS equals QS. That's just given stuff. Put some marks up here. That's equal to this. Excuse me. RP equals TQ. So this also equals this. Just making sure I got everything accounted for. But then, again, just added those two lines together. Then I got RP plus PS. That would be the whole thing. RS. That whole segment. And then TQ plus QS gives me TS. And then again, I'm trying to prove that RS equals TS. Segment addition for this one. RS equals TS. That's just going to be a substitution. You start to see common patterns. You're doing the same kind of stuff over and over again. It gets easier as you go. So then again, another layer. Hide that one. Number 3. RQ equals TP. Okay, so RQ's all the way through equals TP right there. So that's given. Now looks goofy. I tried. RQ can be broken down into parts RZ and ZQ. RZ and ZQ. TP is TZ, ZP. And then it says RZ plus ZQ is going to end up being equal to, and that was confusing for a second because I thought I was going to do RQ, but I'm just going to substitute above, right? So RQ's up here. That's what I subbed in for. Whereas that TP is now going to be TZ plus ZP. Okay. Oh, forgot to write in over here. These are segment additions. ZQ equals ZP. That was actually one of my given things. So you can have a given in more than one place. It's not always going to be needed right away. Maybe you'll need it later, like here. And then finally, I'm just taking ZQ and ZP out to get my last line RZ equals TZ. So that's going to be a subtraction, and that's what I wanted to prove. One last layer here. So for 4, I need to know that angle SRT is equal to angle STR, and I also need to know that measure of angle 3 is congruent to measure angle 4. Again, you can see here that my given was split again. So I already see that. Might as well mark it down. SRT can probably be broken into parts. So it's the same parts we had before. That would be angle 1 plus angle 3. STR is angle 2 plus angle 4. And that's just going to be an angle addition. So if I'm going to substitute, I probably wanted to see that angle 1 plus angle 3, forgot my angle sign there, is equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. So I just sub those into up here. SRT got replaced by 1 and 3. STR got replaced by 2 and 4. Otherwise, I was given the 3 equals 4, but I want to take those out of here so I can say angle 1 equals angle 2, because that's what I was trying to prove. So last line, I just subtracted again. A lot of times, that's what we're trying to do. Just remove what you don't need, get what you do need, figure out how to get there.